Hey, what's good, collective, man? I'm feeling so lively right now. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, I feel so good. Like, I've been fucking, like, partying with myself. Hell yeah, I've been turning up in my bedroom by my damn self. You know what I'm saying? Um, it feels kind of good. It feels good, but at the same time, I'm like, yo, I want to turn up. I want to turn up. Like, I want some, like, I want somebody else around, like, some other people around me, like, turn up with me. Maybe y'all be in that energy sometimes. But anyways, let's get us some motherfucking messages. Want you, baby. Can't do nothing for you. Anyways, yeah, so, not even gonna lie. I've had me a couple. And my can is empty now. My can is empty. My Modelo is empty. But it's okay. I'm feeling really good. Anyway, so let's see what's going on. It says the time to give rather than take. Virgo energy. The energy is gaining momentum. Your energy is gaining momentum. So let's see. It's a time for you to give to others. As you give more to others, you're going to be manifesting like so much. Yeah, it says your commitment is being tested currently. Hey, yo, I'm committed to this shit right here. I don't give a fuck what anybody else thought, what they thought it was. Yeah, so your energy is being tested. Your commitment to whatever your craft is being tested currently. They want to see how, like, if you really about it. I'm about it. You know what I'm saying? We about it over here. Just know that you're gaining the momentum that you need to propel you higher into like your future, whatever it is, your future endeavors, whatever it is that you're going after. Like, it's building energy. I'm hearing like torque value, motherfucking like who's the juggernaut motherfucking energy right now. Like, that's exactly what, like, who I thought of, like, from Marvel comics. Communication is key. So keep your lines of communication open. Give more through, activating your throat chakra. What else? Man, I just tried to, well, whatever. Yeah, I tried to go live earlier on a different app. Whatever. I tried to go on a different fucking platform. Not even gonna lie, nobody fucking showed up. I was on there for like maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. Like, I'm impatient. I'm a Gemini. Like, I'm like, yo, like, shit, let's get it popping. So I was like, fuck it, let me record. So whatever. It said, don't let pride get in your way. Maybe that's what yeah, like, maybe that's, I should have been a little bit more patient. I don't know. I don't never go live. I was kind of nervous to do it anyway. But hey, you gotta test the water sometimes, right? You gotta test the water sometimes. And it is kind of late where I'm at. But still, it's kind of early at the same time. It's like 11 something. What time is it? 11:54. I don't know why I saw 11:84. Nothing will come of this situation. Oh shit. Aw, somebody had you at mellow. They want me to mellow out. Fuck no. The fuck? This me. This my energy. Like, this is who I fuck I am. This is who I is. Either you gonna fucking fuck with it or you not. What is this? Oh, somebody thinks that you're beautiful. Prosperity does lie ahead. Keep on pushing through. Keep on trucking through. Keep on with it. Yeah, this song is called Beautiful, and that is Taurus energy as well. We know Taurians are all about the fucking beauty in life. All about, like, what the fuck, surrounding themselves with fucking just beautiful, luscious, luxurious things. You know what I mean? Very loving energy. That's the motherfucking Empress energy for your ass too. I'm a true ass motherfucking Empress. You know what I'm saying? Like, while my Western astrology is motherfucking Gemini, my Vedic astrology is actually fucking Taurus. You know what I'm saying? So that's a true ass motherfucking Empress ass motherfucking energy. You know what I mean? Yeah. True ass motherfucking loving ass fucking dope ass fucking energy. Shit, check in with it. So what else do we need to know? What else does this collective need to know? Yeah, I got my music playing. I was turning up. Yeah, I was turning up on my damn stuff. I was dancing on my motherfucking bed, like jumping, like in with the music. I don't give a fuck. It's late. I had to turn it down a little bit, you know, trying to tone it down a little bit for the neighbors, you know, because I try to be considerate, but I don't turn up too much. You know, I'll be in this energy too much. What else we got here? A fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So you and your boss ass motherfucking energy know that fucking prosperity lies ahead. Oh my gosh, my nose is like tickling me. Know that you're a strong ass person with Leo energy. We also got we got Virgo energy, so you're very fucking analytical as well. And we got Gemini energy out here. So we got Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Aries, and Leo out here. We got waxing moon energy, void of course moon with the what is this? A fiery climax approaches, but nothing will come of the situation. Nah, you know what I mean? I don't think that nothing's gonna come of the situation that you're in, because it says like prosperity lies ahead, you know what I mean? And that a fiery climax approaches. So something very passionate, boss ass energy with that fucking Aries, you know. So I'm seeing like these horns with Taurus and with Aries. Like you got the fucking horns right there. I feel like you're grabbing the motherfucking bull by the fucking horns right now. You taking your shit into your own hands, and you're about to accomplish so much. I'm just hearing accomplishment. I just heard like accomplish in my head, like, you know, whatever it is that you're trying to do, like you gonna fucking reach that goal. You gonna get it. But Spirit is saying to like keep your pride in check. The right people are gonna come across you. Energy is everything, babes. Oh, that don't even belong in there. What is that actually? Let me see that. That's Jupiter. Fucking blessings. So blessings are coming through for you, collective. Yeah, confidence is your key to success. More Leo energy. Like that's what's gonna bring in your blessings, is your confidence. So you know, that has a lot to do, because it's like both Leo energy, confidence, and don't let pride get in your way. Like remain motherfucking like humble at the same fucking time as this stuff is coming in for you. Yeah, because that's what's gonna bring in the win-win outcome for you at the bottom of the deck. Let me go ahead. Man, maybe you a villain in some people's life, because my villain deck is right here. We about to see what that shit do. Maybe people view you as the villain. Shit, I'll be that motherfucker. I'll be your Huckleberry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'll be your Huckleberry. I'll be that villain. You want me to be that villain? I'll be that villain in your life. Shit. Fuck the bullshit. Stop. Wait a minute. That's what people are saying, right? Because your energy is so fucking powerful. They want you to stop and wait a minute, like, fuck a bitch. Oh, hold on. This is a different song. But I heard that. I don't give a fuck. Y'all know I'll be on point with my shit. We got the King of Cups energy out here with upright. So you got a lot of love to give, a lot of wisdom in love to give. You could be coming into union with a King of Cups energy, or you have a King of Cups energy spying on you, looking at you like, yo, how am I gonna get that? I want that right there. I like that right there. How am I gonna cop that right there? Right? How am I gonna get shorty over there? But, you know, they making plans. They mapping out how they're going to go about doing shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I was drawn to that map with Captain Hook. They like, how am I about to hook and bait this bitch? They calling your name. They want you, babe. Ah! We got over here the Three of Coins. So maybe in the past they wanted to like collab with you. Maybe they like on the fence about you now. You know what I'm saying? Like they had plans on how they was gonna fucking get you. And we got the Six of Coins over here as well. They was like, I'm hearing that they're not like, maybe in the past they were like working with other individuals on how I really want to take you down. How they were going to take you down. But they're not working with those people anymore. Now they genuinely want to give to you with this Six of Coins energy. They really want to fucking have some type of build some type of a foundation with you. They really want to ground in some shit. So we got the 6 and the 9 of, or the 6 comes to a 9 of coins with the 6 and 3 of coins. So the 9 of coins, that's that like pre-fucking Empress, pre-fucking Emperor energy. They see you as very abundant. They want to have abundance with you. They could look at you as a come up. Watch out. Yeah, life is a bitch. I don't give a fuck. Man, we need a platform where we're not fucking censored on our shit. Like, sure, I can understand, like, some, you know, whatever, like, you know, copywritten shit, you know, because some people, you know, they got to get paid. You know, they got to get chipped, whatever they getting chipped. And I get that. But, you know, like, let's not waste fucking time. Baby, it's alright. This song, like, I don't give a fuck. This song is like, make me in that energy where, like, Nicki be like, where the panties come off, like, yeah. And waste my time. Let's not waste no time. Baby, it's alright. Yeah, let's not waste our time with some shit. All night. Somebody want to fucking get in your motherfucking drawers. I don't give a fuck. Like, that's what I'm feeling right now. What's good? What's good? Not because I've been fucking, like, tipping a couple back. Like, that's what I'm really, like, feeling. Somebody really want to fucking do some shit with you. What's good? What's good? Yeah, somebody don't want to waste their time with you. Like, they want to fucking come in, like, super motherfucking quick and fast. Like, not saying that they fucking pipe game is gonna be super quick and fast, just saying like they want to come in connection with you super quick and fast. They try to figure that shit out. Just be mine tonight. They're like, you might be mine tonight. So I'm hearing like that's that one time type of energy, like one night stand type of energy. Yeah, no cap. They're maybe like they're shedding this energy off of them, growing into a new skin, fresh fucking new skin type energy. Like they want something new with you. You could be intriguing this person into like wanting a real fucking relationship. You know what I'm saying? You got this person like raising their eyebrow. What's good? What's good, motherfucker? What's good? Wait, what else we got over here? What song is this? No Doubt. It's My Life. We also have over here the Knight of Swords. So you could be attracting a King of Cups, King of fucking Swords energy. Maybe you guys are gay. And that's okay. But I ask myself, what much do you do? So yeah, you could be asking yourself, how much could this person be doing? It's my life. Don't you forget. It's my life. It never ends. Yeah, so you guys are forever. This person could like be really analytical, really passionate towards you. Oh shit. I said, yeah, King of Cups and King of Swords. So this person is trying to learn how to maneuver through their feelings for you. They're trying to be very logical through analyzing their feelings for you and how they want to give towards you. Boom, boom, boom. So you got somebody asking what type of good are you in their life. You're telling them, don't you forget, because it's my life. Like, I can do what I want to do. It's my prerogative type shit. Like, the fucking confusion never ends. The arguments never end. You could be fucking arguing with somebody like a King of Cups, King of fucking Swords energy. You know what I mean? You feel like you can never end because you be in your emotions and this other person be fucking hella logical, hella fucking like, just like in their mind. You work through your fucking emotions. This other person works through their fucking mental fucking shit. So like the connection just ain't like 100% right. Like, somebody also may be a fucking sapiosexual. Yeah, we also got over here the Four of Wands. I mean, the Six of Wands and the Page of Cups. So you could be wanting victory with this person, like a love offering with this person. You want to be victorious and offering somebody love. That's how it showed up for me. I'm going to show you the pictures. Yeah, you could be viewing as somebody like as a henchman. Or like, what do they call them? Are they henchmen? Or a fucking henchman like sidekicks for the villains. You could view this person as your Clyde, like Bonnie and Clyde, you know what I mean? Like type of energy. Like you could really want to bring forward a message. My nose is like super fucking tickled right now. It's like super tickling. Messages for this collective read. I don't even know what I'm going to call it. Maybe I'm going to call it nothing is going to come of this situation. Maybe you need to like reevaluate some shit. Reevaluate your fucking life and what it is that you truly want. The type of partner that you truly desire and deserve. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't let pride get in your way. We got the Queen of Coins here. So this is the Queen of Pentacles energy. Somebody could see you as very abundant. You know what I mean? They could see you as dangerous too, because I'm looking at this fucking crocodile. You know what I mean? I'm hearing, cry me a river. Oh, oh. Maybe one of your best friends is a Queen of fucking Coins type energy. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, this is a song. I think I love it. This is Saw's Good Day. Somebody's saying that they hate you. I don't give a fuck you hate me. Get off my shit, bitch. Yeah, I said that. Yeah, ho, right? What is it? Yeah, ho. Choke your ass out. Get the fuck out of here. You hate me. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, that's how my energy is sometimes. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't like me, why are you here? Why are you in my fucking face? Why are you in my energy? If you don't like me, get the fuck away from me. Go on and go do and live your life. If you don't get that and you're like, oh, this person is toxic. No, bitch, I'm not toxic. Why am I toxic? Because I don't want that energy around me. What's toxic is that you feel that I should keep your energy around me when you don't like me. That's toxic. So that you can keep abusing me. So that you keep using me. No, we ain't about that over here. Good. Right? Man, so somebody feel like they in love with you. Somebody love your energy as fuck. They feel like, yeah, that's the type that I need around me. That's the type that I fucking value. That's the type that I love. What else we got here? Oh my gosh. What is this? This is somebody's coat. This looks like a motherfucking royal coat, but it also looks like a motherfucking river. But I know it's a coat. It's the fucking 9 of coins. Didn't I say that? I said that earlier, right? With the fucking, what was it? The 3 of fucking coins and the 6 of fucking coins. I said the 9 of motherfucking coins. Somebody sees you as abundant, sees you as pre-fucking empress, pre-emperor energy. You know what I'm saying? They see you. These people see you. They know that you got some good days coming up. They want to fucking use you and use your energy. They're over here plotting and scheming. Because I'm looking at Scar right now. You know what I mean? And that's what Scar did. He fucking plotted and schemed. And he took down motherfucking, Mufasa, you know what I'm saying? Even with this Queen of Pentacles energy, this other bitch over here, what is she? Oh, I almost got her confused. I got her confused with fucking Corella. But this one, I forget which one she from. Which one this villain is from. But people view you as like a happy fucking go lucky type as well with fucking Smee over here. You know what I'm saying? Smee and motherfucking, what's her name? You know the chick from fucking The Sword and the Stone, right? The fucking one, what is her name? Starts with the M. Madam Mod, right? That's her and her fucking, like, doing her magic and she all young and shit. Madam Mod was fucking, that old ass fucking crone, but here she's depicted as like a young thing. So pretty little young thing, you know what I'm saying? Type energy. You could have like a young energy wanting to fucking bring you some type of a fucking love offer. But don't be deceived by it, because it's nothing but fucking passion. And maybe like this person feel like you live in your head, or it's in your head. It's in your head, in your head. Yeah, type shit. In your head. You know what song I'm talking about. 10 of Coins. Yeah, they could be trying to come at you with like saying that like when they want to build legacy wealth with you, like some type of like solid ass fucking foundation, a house, a home. They could be coming at you with that shit, or they could see them having a fucking type of legacy wealth with you. But oh, this is in reverse. What is this? 9 of Swords. Yeah, this person isn't in their head anymore about coming towards you. I think they've made up their decision. They think you're wild. Wild. I just heard that in my head. Yeah, they want to keep you safe as well. What's this next song? Yeah, that one's I Hate You coming on. You know, this person could have been around people in their ear talking shit about you, and that's why they were in that fucking 9 of Swords energy. But it's in reverse now, so it don't even matter. That's not, it's no longer here nor there. You know what I'm saying? We also have the Moon. So you know, there are going to be some things illuminated to you about love coming towards you with this Knight of Cups energy. This person, you know, Gaston, he was like so against the fucking beast. He wanted to kill the beast. Let's kill the beast. You know what I'm saying? Like, so maybe this person is realizing like the passions they have for you, realizing as well as their toxic insecurities. What else we got over here? The Hierophant and the 4 of Wands. So yeah, like somebody is like a real ass fucking magician, and they're trying, like, they're manifesting shit. You know, they may have went to a higher being than themselves. They may have went to God to prayed about you. Yeah, to transform a situation with the Death card here with Hades there. Starts her underworld. This person went to the underworld, maybe traveling through the underworld. What else messages do you have for this collective? 23:36 on the clock. I didn't realize that it was already so far into the time. That's what alcohol does. We also have here, what is this? The 7 of Coins. So yeah, these people, they see you. They could be taking fucking direction from you. But just be careful, because, you know, them hyenas, they did turn on fucking Scar. What else we got here? Yeah, fucking look. We got Merlin and fucking Madam Mod fucking over here. Like, they're trying to cross your path with fucking magic. They're trying to fucking, they're fighting. You guys are fighting energetically, spiritually. Yeah, with that, like, that I hate you shit. Nah, but we want that fucking simple kind of love. We ain't with that shit. We ain't trying to fight no more. Fuck that fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? Let them motherfuckers stand by themselves and fight with themselves. Somebody is fighting over fucking, because I'm looking at this trunk full of fucking gold and shit, jewels and all that over there. They could be over here trying to fight you for your fucking coin, your wealth. for what you got. They don't even fucking know. You got a whole ass motherfucking, what's that song? Cause I was listening to it earlier with fucking T.I. Yeah, cause I smoke like the, or I move like the Reverend. Hey, whatever. I'm also hearing that other one. Is that Kendrick Lamar? Where he's like, what's a man to a God? You know that song where you talking about like the preacher? You like talking about some his snake shoes and shit. Like you got some motherfucking like reptilian fucking shoes. Like, you know what I'm saying? What's this? The magician? Yeah, you got some motherfucking reptilian fucking shoes. You can fucking switch up. You know reptiles, they fucking shed fucking skin. They shed fucking old life. What the fuck is you doing in here? Somebody let this bug in here. What the fuck? Oh, okay, you can stay. It's a little moth. Hi. You like the vibrations of the music? Simple kind of life. Yeah, you're manifesting a simple kind of life. This is what you don't see coming in for you as well with that moon energy. Spirit wants you to take a different perspective on your life. Oh my God, I gotta go to the restroom. That shit's hidden. What else do you want the collective to know, Spirit? Anything else you want the collective to know? Simple kind of life. Yeah, that's all that you wanted was a simple kind of life. Know that communication is coming in for you. A simple man. You just wanted some simple ass shit, some easy ass shit. Like you, not that you weren't willing to work for some shit, like you were working for it, but like you just wanted like some simple stuff, like some like it like you're in your head like it shouldn't be this hard. It shouldn't have been this hard. Like I just want some fucking like smooth sailing, some smooth waters. Like why I always got to be choppy all the time? Why the water's always got to be choppy and fucking like boom, tossing and turning like the waves is like the wind and the waves is like boom, motherfucker, boom, motherfucker, hit like you getting beat up. You know what I'm saying? Like you just want some fucking calm ass shit. You wanted some fucking smooth sailing shit. We also got here, what is this? The Seven of Wands. Like, yeah, like why your path gotta be fucking constantly fucking blocked? Why you gotta fucking fight on your path so fucking damn hard and so much? You know what I mean? Like, if you're the queen of this shit, you're the magician of this shit, why is the path so motherfucking hard? Why isn't it? Why I got all these fucking twists and turns? Yeah, that shit could be fun sometimes. Why can't it just be fucking smooth for a time? Why it gotta be like years and years and years of fucking like combat and struggle? Somebody was like manifesting that shit in your fucking life. A dark fucking magician, a dark fucking witch, a dark fucking enchantress. Right? True love with true love. Yeah, they were fucking like doing, you had somebody in the background fucking with your motherfucking life and your love, like your true life fucking love fucking story. You're like, why everything's gotta be so motherfucking hard when you just want a simple kind of life, a simple kind of love.
Mom, guess what? You know them boys I was smoking with?
Yeah, what about them?
We went in the house.
I'm recording, I just want you to know.
Okay. We went in the house, and because they wanted to go inside. Tell me why I went back out right now, just walking around. Tell me why I see them back out there. Yeah, they ain't finna tell me either, so guess what I did?
What you do?
I took they wood, Mom.
You did?
Yeah.
What you do with it?
I'm about to smoke it.
Okay, well, you know what?
What?
Do it again.
Do it again.
Get these niggas for all they got. Fuck them. Trying to do some sneak snake shit. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. Yeah, you got some motherfuckers out here. They trying to do it again. You got the King of Wands out here. Two of Wands trying to block you. I guess I'll put it back. Yeah, you got a King of Wands trying to leave you out in the cold, trying to block your motherfucking path out here. We got the Five. Oh, that was that fucking moth. We got the Five of fucking coins. They trying to leave you on the cold, desolate, fucking depressed, and all that other shit. Right? Come on now. Calm down. Simmer down. I don't want to try to catch you because then I'm going to take the powder off your wings. I ain't trying to do all that. Leave it alone, Nugget. Let it live. Let it live. Hey! Leave it alone. You gonna die. That moth gonna die. Ooh, yeah. There's no. They trying to rock your boat out here. They trying to block your path. They're trying to toss you overboard. This fucking King of Wands energy. You see it? That fucking old fucking Jafar. What was he? He was a motherfucking fucked up. Didn't what? He wanted cosmic power and fucking control and all that. What happened to that motherfucker? Itty bitty living space. Right. And what happened to the motherfucking, what happened to her too? What happened to her too? That bitch fucking, she was fucking blown into smithereens. So you ain't even got to worry about this shit. So you could have had a King of Wands and a King of Cups fucking energy trying to block your path, trying to block your prosperity, trying to keep you in depressive ass motherfucking energy. And it did, nothing will come of that situation. Nothing came of that situation. Yeah, your commitment was being tested through that whole entire time. How you were able to persevere. They was really trying to rock your boat. They was trying to work the middle, trying to fucking split the motherfucking ship. What is this? The Knight of Coins. Just know that money is fucking coming. Money is coming towards you in the fucking middle of the night. I heard Thief of the Night. Baby, I love your stroke. I gotta go to the restroom. I gotta go pee. Spirit, any more messages? I went into like that. Yeah. Look, you got sunshine. Cause I'm shiny, right? You shinier than a motherfucker out here. You shinier than a motherfucker. Your motherfucking crown lit as fuck, like the sun. Like the sun, son. Yeah, lit by God. I swear to you. This bitch, too. You know about her, about that lamb, right? World's greatest boss, right? Hey, God is the world's greatest boss. No fucking cap. I gotta go tinkle. So I'm gonna leave the reading here. Thank you for joining me. I hope that, yeah, you gained something from it, baby. Anyways, I guess I just told you about your situation. But know that you're gonna have sunshine. Know that you're gonna be happier than a motherfucker. Don't let nobody steal nothing from you. Because that's what they was doing. But get what's yours. Because Maui came and got his motherfucking hook, right? And got what was his. So get what you're supposed to get. You know what I'm saying? But don't be deceitful. Yeah, these people were working with fucking fucked up, deceitful ass motherfucking gods to try to take away and block your motherfucking path. But let's see. Let's get a spell to see what's good to combat that energy. And then I'm gonna go to the powder room and let some waters out. Yourself. Somebody wants you to lose yourself. No, you ain't losing yourself in this shit. So what do we got here? We got here an everyday spell. It's called Ruby Tuesdays. Ooh, maybe go to fucking Ruby Tuesdays. Go get you a nice ass motherfucking hamburger. Yeah, some motherfucking onion rings. Ooh, some thick ass fucking fries. Or is that, maybe that's Red Robin? No, there's a place called Ruby Tuesdays, wasn't there? Let me look. Let me see. I know there's a food place called fucking Ruby Tuesdays. I ain't that fucking gone. Let me see. Ruby Tuesday. There is a place called Ruby Tuesdays. Go to Ruby Tuesday. Yeah, bitch. Go to Ruby Tuesday. On a Tuesday. Where are some motherfucking rubies? Anyways, it says if you want to jumpstart your life and bring about positive change, tap into the power of the rose-colored and red stones. Stones of this color spectrum contain life's energy and can help you become more motivated, energetic, and vibrant. Wear this list of rosy and red stones or place them on your desk and throughout your home for an instant boost. Alexandrite. Ooh, I know that's for me. That's my birthstone. One of them anyway. Carnelian. I got some carnelian. Garnet. I ain't got no garnet. Red coral. Red jasper, I definitely got that. Rhyolite, red jasper, or rose jasper, and ruby. The power of these rose and red crystals and gems is greatly amplified if you wear them on a Tuesday. Ruby Tuesday, y'all. Ruby Tuesday. I must need me a burger. Somebody telling me to calm down? Nah, I ain't calming down. Incantation for insight and inspiration. Perform this spell on a full moon night for full effect. Place one blue and one white candle on your altar. Light your favorite incense, one that stimulates your thinking. Scratch your name into the blue candle. For the white candle, scratch your name of someone who inspires you. Light the name candle and the incense and recite. Don't give a fuck about why I'm fucking moving my hands the way I'm moving my hands. That's how I do, because I talk with my hands. Somebody understand that shit. Ugh. Right? Round candle burns for me. Light the candle of hope and say, here burns my hope. Name the hope. Sit with your eyes closed for a few minutes and picture yourself enacting your hope and desire. Let the candle burn completely for full charging. All right, I'm going to leave it there because I got to go tinkle like Periwinkle. I love you guys. Bye.